It's Lady Vicente, Virginia, and today I'm gonna do the unboxing of the Speedy 25 from the new collection of Yayoi Kusama, Louis Vuitton 2023. And if you didn't subscribe to my channel, please do and support me. So here is a bag that you receive when you purchase any kind of item from this collection. So you have a lot of pocket up, so much color. Okay, okay, here you go. Inside of it you have the pocket up pepper. Okay, of course that goes with the collection, so cool. And when you go inside the box, I will make sure I can do a good angle. You have the duster with a bag, of course. So here you have the duster, Louis Vuitton Yayoi Kusama 2023. Okay, and let's go. This is a Speedy 25. Look how cute it is. So much color, and you can really see it's pretty much like if someone painted on the bag. You can see the color. Okay, and it does smell like paint as well. Actually, I love the smell, so here you go. So this is a Speedy 25. I never had a Speedy before, and if I wanted to purchase the Speedy, I would have taken the Speedy 30 or 35 just because I like bigger bag. But in this collection, Yayoi Kusama, they only had the Speedy 25 and the Keepall 45. But I took another Keepall 45. You can see my video. I took the Makassar because I love the black and I want to not have to worry about the vachetta getting dirty. So I thought to myself, okay, well, I never had a 25, Speedy 25, so that's the best way to buy it, collection item, because that thing is so cute. And of course I took it with a bandoulière, okay, that you can attach and detached from the side, really easy. Sorry, because I'm doing that for my left hand. I'm gonna take my right hand, guys. There you go. Put it back. Oh, can I move today? Okay. Inside, trying to put it everywhere. I'm gonna stand up. You have the red color with a zipper. It's hard to show you inside. With a little punking. Trying to see the punking. Okay. And the punking say Louis Vuitton Yayoi Kusama 2023. And inside it comes with, of course, your locker and the key. So I'm gonna show you. So here is the locker with the LV logo on it, and the little key, of course, so cute. You all know that. If you love Louis Vuitton, you all know the locker and the little key. And of course, testing it for you. Oops, I cannot do anything today. Ah, never mind. Here you go. Sorry, guys. Right, put it back, and then I put it back in the little pocket. And what I will do, I will just place it for right now inside the pocket right here. Alright, I will show you the bag on me. I'm 5'10". Really good size. So I'm really happy with this purchase. Like, I just love it. I cannot put it down. I think it's so cute. I mean, you know, everybody has their different choices and tastes, you know, that's a good thing, but I just love it. I think it's super cute, really cute. So I'm super happy. This is a vachetta of course, so you have to take care because, of course, if you go outside, it will kind of show rain. That's why I put my Keepall 45 in Makassar, but I just love the vachetta and the color. And or the little polka dot. So I just love it. So I don't care. I will be careful not putting it too much like dirty and take care of the leather, but here it is. This is a Speedy 25 from the collection 2023 Yayoi Kusama. The collaboration with Louis Vuitton and Yayoi Kusama. Here you go. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you soon for another unboxing and review. Thank you so much for following me. Bye!